Jordan, come here real quick. Courtney needs you. Can you put some on for the baby? Can I see that?
What are you talking about? Oh, the school. What's up, on the school?
Y'all ain't gonna get to see up her. What's up, Renee, honey? Whoa.
I'm glad I ran.
Go. Ooh, that's loud.
Jordan's bed watching Miss Rachel. I didn't want her to be out here. I'm scared. Why I go in there eating? I wouldn't have like it.
What'd you say, Mariel? Let's go. There's husband. What you got, husband? A firework? A bomb? Oh, yeah, it's loud. Huh? Oh! I can't. I can't tell. Oh. Hopefully. They bite it, know what they got their side eye. Honey, it is Smokey Joe. Joey. I think this one gonna blow out, the one they doing good to do now. Let's see. What kind of food is in there, husband? It is? Dang. All the food's gone? Damn. All right, let me let y'all see this. Ooh. Oh, it ain't one of those. I thought that was one of those. Honey, it's smoky. Y'all see all the smoke? Yeah. Husband used to sell. Woo, it's loud. Husband used to sell fireworks. Husband used to go out on the truck and bring back a bunch of fireworks and sell them, honey. Them big ones. Honey, they be battling other neighborhoods. They all be acting a fool. I heard, honey. Oh, what? Oh, yeah. What's up, honey? What's up, Lady Red?
Why are you taking them in the house?
He's not. He put them right here on the porch.
Honey, they got all kind of. Is it fireworks right there too? Dang, look. Oh, they get ready to set it off. They get ready to set it off, honey. They couldn't wait till it got dark. Woo! That shake the whole neighborhood up, honey. That shake the whole neighborhood up. Oh, yeah. Oh. No, really? What is it called? Oh. He probably could hear. Voted. Thank you, boo. Thank you for voting. I need everybody to go vote. The link is put below. Whoa. They got the loud. Tangela Edwards, thank you, boo. That's what that is, what you got in your hand. You just voted. Thank you, Starla. Huh? Was that an old one, husband? Thank you, Dwayne Mackett. Appreciate it. And they got some big go on right there. Thank you guys for voting. I appreciate it. Let's continue to vote. As soon as they put that double vote back out there, we're going to hit them up, y'all. We're going to hit them up and get me back in first place. Thank you, Sylvia Frida. Thank you. DD Arnett. Love you too, honey. Brenda voted. Thank you, Brenda. What? Oh. I thought you was going to say I was back in first. Thank you, Frida. said they had, husband said he got 2 free votes, y'all. Go try to do it again. If y'all voted, try to vote again. It's letting some people get 2 free votes. Billy, what's up, boo? Okay, they get ready to do his big thing right here, y'all. They up to the pool over there. Damn. Wow. You did too, Elon? You did? You got another free vote, Dwayne? People saying they getting 2 free votes. You did? Quit playing, husband. Really? Husband said it seemed like he got 3 of them. They rigging this up. How they letting people vote like that, honey? And don't even tell nobody you gonna vote for free 3 or 4 times today. Dwayne said he did too. All right, everybody go and try to vote again. Go try to vote again, honey. See if it lets you. See if it lets you vote again, honey. Kathy said she did too. A whole lot of people saying they voted again, husband. What? Y'all go vote, honeys. What they doing? You just voted again? Yep. Denise said maybe that's why the other person got ahead. If we can vote free more than 1 time a day, or if it's unlimited, we need to all do it. I typically donate, but I can vote continually all day to get you back. Thank you, Saneed, honey. Starla said she tried again. It didn't let her. I tried it. It said 19 hours. I did it again with another phone. I voted yesterday, and they told me I had to wait 11 hours. That might be how she got ahead. Honey, she might know something we don't. It didn't work for you. It's letting some people do it. Michelle said I tried the 3rd time and said hell to the no. Yes, it's letting us. Y'all better do it, honeys. Go, honeys, go. Some people's letting them, some people it ain't. Am I still in second? Let me see where I'm at. Let me see if it let me vote again. Still say I'm second. Look, it let me do it again too. Look, honey. Let me do it again. It showed let me do it again. It says you and Stacey Harbin are on fire. Keep it up. Go, honeys, go. Might get me back in second place. I'm in first place. It let me vote again. I voted twice, honeys. It let me vote again too. Somebody said they wouldn't let them do it the third time. You might have to wait about an hour and do it again, honey. Wait about an hour and then try it again. Brenda, thank you.
Oh my God.
Whoa. Nah, it's telling me 24 hours right now. Nita said you had to wait. Teresa voted. It didn't let you vote again. What's up, Marcia? Happy 4th of July, you guys. Oh, yeah. Corey done it. Thank you, Corey. Y'all see me, honey? It's telling you 24 hours now. It might let you do it in about an hour or so. Thank you, Tony, Curl, and admins, Regina Harper. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna let y'all go. Just came back for a minute. I hope you all go vote. Go try to vote again. Keep up the good work. Maybe I'll get back in first. Much love to you guys. See you guys later, honey.